If you want to do exactly what I did in 90 days, then you need to implement these 3 most important habits in your lifestyle right now. What's up everybody? If you are new to the channel, my name is Shubham. I'm a certified fitness coach and nutritionist. I help busy men lose up to 20 pounds in less than 90 days without gaining it back. Now make sure you watch this video till the end. I don't want you to miss any information. Now let's dive straight into today's video. Habit number 1 is drinking water. When I started into fitness, I knew that drinking water has a lot of health benefits. But I did not know that it can also help you lose extra belly fat or face fat. During my early days when I was studying human body, I came across a fat loss articles that says people who drank 500 ml of water before their meals lost 44% more weight than people who did not drink. Because what happens is when we drink water, our body needs some energy to manage the water. Means our body is burning extra calories. I stayed consistent with my drinking water habit and I lost all the extra fat that I had on my body. So try to drink at least 2 liters of water per day if you want to lose fat. Habit number 2, eat your protein. When I started into fitness, I heard that eat more protein if you want to build muscles. But one thing I did not know was that it can also help you lose extra fat. Let me explain you how. When we eat protein, our body releases a satisfaction hormone called peptide YY, which increases the level of satisfaction in our body. In simple words, when I started eating protein, I would start feeling less hungry, which means I automatically started eating less food. So I lost all the extra fat without losing my muscles. So the amount of protein we need per day is based on our goals and our body types. But the rule of the thumb is to eat 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Habit number 3, sleep. When I was in school, I heard from my teachers so many times that you should sleep minimum 8 hours. But they did not tell me why. Maybe they didn't know, I don't know. But after learning so much about sleep, I found out that getting sleep is the number 1 factor in losing fat. And if you are not getting good sleep, you are always going to have an extra belly fat hanging around your belly all the time. Because when we don't sleep enough for a long period, our bodies start using less and less energy, which means our body stored all the extra energy as a fat in the form of belly, your thigh fat, your face fat, etc. Poor sleep is also the main reason why so many people are suffering through diabetes and obesity. So having 7 hours of sleep minimum per day helps me a lot in my journey from fat to fit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one very soon. And also don't forget to check our private Facebook community. First link in the description. Peace.